Understanding speciation, the birth of new species. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an exciting concept in biology called a speciation event. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. If you're interested in science or just curious about how new species come into existence, this video is for you. Speciation is the evolutionary process by which new biological species arise. Think of it as nature's way of creating new types of animals, plants, or other organisms. This process is fundamental to understanding how life diversifies and adapts over time. Speciation is not something that happens overnight. It usually takes thousands or even millions of years. There are several ways speciation can happen. The most common is geographical isolation, where a group of organisms gets separated from the rest of its species. This separation can be due to mountains, rivers, or other natural barriers. Over time, these isolated groups evolve differently from their original species, leading to the creation of a new species. Another cause is reproductive isolation. This occurs when there are changes in mating habits or physical characteristics that prevent two groups within a species from interbreeding. This isolation can eventually lead to the formation of new species as well. Speciation is generally classified into two types: allopatric speciation and sympatric speciation. 1. Allopatric speciation. This happens when a physical barrier divides a species, leading to geographic isolation. For example, a river changing its course can separate a group of animals, eventually resulting in two different species. 2. Sympatric speciation. Unlike allopatric, this type occurs without geographical barriers. It can happen through differences in mating preferences or mutations that lead to a new species evolving while still in the presence of the original species. Let's look at some real-world examples to understand speciation better. Darwin's finches. On the Galapagos Islands, Darwin observed several species of finches, each with different beak shapes. These finches evolved from a common ancestor but adapted to different food sources on the islands, leading to speciation. Cichlid fish in African lakes. These fish show a remarkable example of speciation. In isolated lakes, cichlid fish have diversified into hundreds of species, each adapted to different ecological niches. Speciation is a fascinating and vital process in the story of life on Earth. It shows us how diverse and adaptable life can be. We hope this video helped you understand the concept of a speciation event and its significance in biology. Remember, learning new things, just like evolution, is a journey. Keep exploring, and thank you for watching.